In this video, we are going to discuss about access management. What is access management? Access management in a single line is managing the access to the services or the standard services. That means managing access, providing users the access and also revoking the access based on the approvals for the standard services. So, coming to the objectives of access management. What are the objectives? Granting authorized users the access to the required services. Ensure that the access provided is of right level. That means providing the users whom needs to be provided for the write access, whom needs to be provided for the read access. Revoking the accesses after getting the necessary and relevant approvals. That means revoking the accesses of the users who are required services, and also revoking the access getting the necessary and relevant approvals from the higher authorities. Indirectly preventing non-authorized access from non-authorized users. That means indirectly by following these steps we prevent non-authorized users to access non-authorized accesses system. Note, access management derives guidance from information security management. So, based on information security management guidelines, they seek access from them and they manage the access management. So, these are the key objectives in access management. So, coming to the key concepts. The key concepts of access management are access, identity, rights, service and service groups, directory services. So, what is access? Level and extent of functionality that users can enjoy. That means if you take an example of a network drive, only a single team needs to be accessed and the members in the team will be enjoying the extreme level and extreme extent of functionality of that network drive by getting the access to that network drive. Coming to identity, unique information about the user which confirms his status within the organization. That means if the user is a manager or a team leader, to access that network drive also comes into identity key concept. Coming to rights, actual setting which ensure that users can get the required access. That means it is an actual setting or providing rights or access to the particular user, so he can get a write access or a read access based on his identity. Service and service groups, set of services to which users can get the access in one go. That means a set of services. When a person is given access to network drive, any drives related to that network drive also comes under this service and service groups. Coming to directory services, as you know about Active Directory. Active Directory services are a specific type of a tool to help manage the access or rights to the particular user as per the requirement. In the next video, we will be discussing about the activities of the access management.